What's up guys, it's your boy BK. Today I wanted to share with you guys this brand new video on how you guys can utilize the power of Kangen water to detail and clean the interior and the exterior of your car. Here's how. So we're here on my 97 Toyota 4Runner and I got the 11.5 strong alkaline water, which could be used to emulsify, degrease, wash your vegetables, and yeah, it's amazing stuff. Then we got the 2.5 strong acidic water. This stuff right here is an antibacterial, it's a disinfectant. You can use this a lot, even it can be used as a hand sanitizer. Then last but not least, we got the 4.5 shine water, which you can utilize to streak-free shine your car, the interior of your car, your household, glass, you name it. So let's get right into it. All right guys, so first we're gonna start off with the 4.5 shine water, okay? From a simple press of a button from the Kangen machine, you can get this shine water. And like I said before, it's a streak-free shine. And today we're gonna utilize it on this glass that we're gonna clean over here, okay? So let's check this out. Some glass and also the interior as well. Simply spray it on. The microfiber towel. Streak-free shine. Here. Boom. And that's clean. You could even use it to clean your light bars, your fog lights. Shines them up real nice and neatly. Even to use, you can use it to shine the exterior parts of your car. Alright, let's see what the shine water could do on the inside. Alright guys, so now what we're going to do is simply shine the baseboards and we're going to detail the car with the 4.5 shine water, okay? Simply spray it on. Gets a lot of grime and dirt off. Chemical free. And clean. And like I said guys, from a simple press of your button from your Kangen machine. All right, job well done. All right guys, now before you guys use this 4.5 shine water, a lot of people like to utilize the 2.5 disinfectant water beforehand, just to use as, you know, to disinfect things before you kind of shine things. So I'm going to share with you guys 2.5 disinfectant. This stuff can be used to sanitize, antibacterial. It's amazing stuff guys. Let's check this out. Alright guys, so last but not least, I want to share with you guys the 11.5 strong alkaline water that is made from the Kangen machine. Like I said before, from a simple press of a button, there's a button that says 2.5, which we had talked about before. When you press that button, 11.5 comes out of the top hose, and 2.5, comes out of the bottom hose. So this machine is based off of science. It's totally crazy. Innovation and technology. It's amazing what Enagic has made. It's the only medically certified water ionizer on the market today, guys. So just a little quick fun fact. But let's see what this 11.5 can do, guys. I got this little stuff that's kind of greased up and just kind of, I don't know, really clunky and dirty. So let's see what this 11.5 can do. Let's check it out. All right, guys, 11.5, let's put it to the test. See down here, I used to throw a lot of my pennies, quarters, nickels, dimes. It's really dirty. I'm gonna spray some 11.5 up in here. Let it sit for a little bit. I have the shop rag. What I'm gonna do is kind of clean all this out and absorb it all up. It's really dirty, but wow. That looks almost brand new. Like I just went to watch. Let me see. Like I just went to the store and got a brand new one. That's pretty clean, huh? Yep. So that's right there, guys, 11.5. Pretty crazy. All right, guys, this is the last test that we're gonna put the 11.5 against. So say if you come across a small oil spill, or say if you're simply trying to clean off the oil-based pesticides and whatnot on your fruits and vegetables, the 11.5 strong alkaline water, guys, can actually emulsify the oil. So simply stick the spray right here. You can kind of see it foaming. This right here, guys, this is chemical-free cleaning agent that some motorcycle shops here in Albuquerque are actually utilizing. Check this out. Look at that. Nearly all of it gone, guys. Any oil spills anywhere in your shop, you could be utilizing the 11.5 Kangen water, strong alkaline water, to be emulsifying and cleaning your shop. There's people who are cleaning bikes with this. Like I just, cleaned my car. You can clean your house with it. There's so many different things that you can utilize the Kangen machine for. If you guys are interested at all in learning more about it, please feel free to reach out to me here on my YouTube channel, guys, or if you guys would like to connect with me through my social media platforms, they will be linked below. If you guys have any more questions, like I said, reach out. But without further ado, guys, much love and have a blessed day, and please share this video and subscribe. Peace.